Hi, Ben from Hannells here, and today we're in Darley Abbey in Derby, and I'm about to give you an exclusive tour of one of our luxurious select properties. Let's go and have a look. Welcome home, and what a welcome it is. Now let's see what else this fantastic family home has to offer. So this has been another outstanding example of a Hannells Select property. The size, the quality, the lifestyle that you'll get to enjoy here is something quite special. But to experience it in all its glory, you need to come and see it and experience it for yourself. So to arrange your own private viewing, call us today on 01332 556633 and we'll be happy to make that happen for you. So thank you for joining me today. It's been a pleasure to give you a tour of this fantastic property, and we'll see you on the next one.